The final part of their mission is underway. Peter flies his drone towards the crater and starts to circle the danger zone.
Okay, you're quite close
quite
there.
close.
So you're well within the ballistic zone there.
Definitely.
Okay.
Now, all the team can do is wait.
Go on, blow, man, blow.
And hope they are in the right place at the right time.
That is extraordinary.
Wow.
Just as they had hoped, Fuego's crater ruptures. The footage reveals that rocks from this massive eruption are traveling upwards at over 100 meters per second.
That's lovely.
Isn't it?
This blast has the same force as 10 tons of high explosives being detonated, and is by far the biggest eruption the team has witnessed.
Thanks, Fuego.
As day turns to night, all their hard work and preparation are finally paying off.
Get out. Really good.
Over the next few hours, Fuego explodes. Not once, but again and again.
Look how high those ballistics are. 300 meters?
The high-definition footage shows the true size of individual molten bombs of lava.
I've never seen that much detail from an explosion like that. It is absolutely mesmerizing.